My therapist said I should tell you this. My therapist said I should tell you this, and honestly, I have been staying here for hours trying to gather the courage to even start writing it. It's strange. She said it's important that I stop bottling everything inside, that I stop pretending I am fine when I am clearly not, that I stop smiling through the edge that comes every time I think about you. She told me that real healing begins with honesty, even if it shakes the ground beneath you, even if it makes the person you love uncomfortable. And that's why I am here, writing this because you deserve to know the truth behind the mask I have been wearing for too long. My therapist says healing comes from honesty, and the truth is, I love you more deeply than words can hold. You are the pulse behind every thought. The peace in my chest and the reason my world still feels like it has light. Even when we are apart, your presence fills the spaces between my breaths. I told her about you, about how your name has become both a comfort and a curse. However, after everything, my heart still beats faster when I see your text, even if it's just a simple hi. She smiled and said, "That's not love, that's fading. That's love, that's waiting for closure or a chance." And that's when I realized I'm still standing at the door of us, waiting for you to either come back or tell me to walk away for good. She said something else too, something that had stayed with me ever since. You keep loving them in silence, but silence doesn't heal. It only hides the pain until it explodes. And maybe she's right, because every time I see your name, I feel that explosion quietly inside me. I have been carrying so many unspoken feelings, pretending to be strong, while my heart whispers your name like a secret prayer. She told me to be brave, to tell you that even if I look fine, I still miss you every single day, and not just the version of you that I loved. But the real you, the complicated, frustrating, beautiful, unpredictable, immature, kind, selfish. She said to tell you that it's okay if you can't love me the same way anymore. But I should not hide behind excuse like I am fine or I have moved on. When the truth is, I still think of you before I sleep. Still check your messages before I check the news. Still imagine you standing next to me when something funny happens. And you know what's funny? She told me I should also thank you. Thank you for teaching me how deep I can feel, how much I can care, how I can fall and still choose love over hate. I hope your day feels soft, warm, and full of reasons to smile because you deserve nothing less. And if you ever wonder how much I care, just remember this letter. It's my heart speaking your name. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.